Hey guys, what are you doing?
Building a snowman.
What?
That's the same Remember Alvarez's brain.
Molly, what day is today?
What?
What day is today?
It's February 13th.
February 12th. February 12th.
No!
2010. Biggest snowfall Dallas ever had, right?
Yep.
Pretty much, yeah? How many inches did we get?
78.
Since 78. How many inches did we get, ladies?
Like,
10? 9, 10?
Yeah.
Molly.
I'm cold.
Sorry.
What are you doing, Max? Little boy? That would have hurt.
I'm an ultimate snowball thrower. I'm the ultimate. I'm the ultimate snowball thrower. Oh, failure.
Get in trouble, I don't care. You better run, boy. You better run. Throw that in. Bro.
Yeah, really, you should. Run, Riley! Hold on, you can't! Tell me a cat! Okay, Daniel, email mine to you. Come on, I'm here, Will!
No, the big one. There's the big one. Hi, Mackie. All right, you're live. What? Well, show us how it's done then.
Ready?
Yeah. How was that?
Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
That's so cold.
It's avalanche.
What?